Hi guys, today we are going to study about motor driver and how to control the speed and direction of the motor using motor driver and Arduino. First of all, why do we need motor driver? We need motor driver because microcontroller has maximum current rating of 40 milliampere or maybe 60 milliampere, while a normal 5 volt DC motor can draw up to 100 milliampere of current in normal operation, and high power motor can draw more current than 100 milliampere. Because of such high amount of current, your microcontroller IC can get burned, due to which your microcontroller will get permanently damaged. So that's why we used to power up DC motors or motors using motor driver. Motor driver are also known as edge-based drivers IC. If we close these two switches, if we and kept these two switches open, then your motor will rotate clockwise, and doing vice versa, your motor will rotate anti-clockwise. So now this is normal edge-based driver IC, and even into our enable pin there are also our master control, because EN1 even enable 1 in high state, then whatever input you will give to the IN1 and IN2, according to that your motor will rotate clockwise, counterclockwise, or will be stopped. And so this is L298N motor driver module. These are the control pins of your L298 motor driver. These are digital pins, and IN1 and IN2 control the direction of motion of motor A, while IN3 and IN4 controls the direction of motor B. And ENA, usually ENA and ENB comes with jumper attached to them. ENA and ENB are enable pins, and if you don't want to vary the speed of the motor, then keep this jumper as it is. Give to PWM input to this enable pins through microcontroller to vary the speed of motor according to your requirement. And this is your power supply pin. This is motor power supply, this is ground, and this is logical power supply. Motor power supply is used for powering the motor and give input from 5 volt to 35 volt in case of L298N. And this, and there is a 5 volt enable jumper. Actually, if this in place, then your motor driver will take input from the motor power supply to power up your IC, and in that case the 5 volt will act as a 5 volt output through which you can power up the Arduino. But if your motor power supply is greater than 12 volt, then you have to disable this 5 volt by taking the jumper off them, and have to give a extra 5 volt input to power up your IC to perform Arduino. If you don't do this, if you even if your motor power supply is greater than 10 volt, and you keep the jumper is in place as it is now, then maybe your IC will get burned and motor driver will get permanently damaged. Arduino code, as you can see, the 11 is your PWM pin, 13 and 12 are digital pins of the Arduino. 11 of Arduino is connected to ENA of motor driver, and 13 and 12 that are digital pin is connected to IN1 and IN2. These are the normal setup, as all the three pins will act as output, give input to the motor driver control pins, hence they are labeled as output in the setup. And in going to rotate the motor actually anti-clockwise, and so to do this I have kept the enable high as I've said before, and I'm giving IN1 high and IN2 low, and this is for 5 milliseconds. And to rotate it clockwise, I'm keeping enable 1 high, and that is ENA high, and giving input 1 low and input 2 high. And in this code I am giving PWM sync to the ENA pin, so that I can vary the speed of the motor, and through this code I am varying the speed of the motor steadily up to the maximum. So let's see how does the motor will work. So here's are the connection of my Arduino and the connection of my motor driver. And you need to remember that you have to keep the Arduino ground and motor driver ground common. As you can see here, my motor is rotating, now it is rotating clockwise, and before that that was rotating anti-clockwise. Now as the PWM signal is increasing, the input to the motor is increasing, and its speed is also increasing.
With this, we end our today's session. Please like and share our videos, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.